Hi, welcome to Miss Sharon's Story Time, brought to you by the Morgantown Public Library System. Today we're reading Cookies Week about a cat. It's by Cindy Ward and it's from Penguin Young Readers Group. Okay, here's Cookie. On Monday, Cookie fell in the toilet. There was water everywhere. On Tuesday, Cookie knocked a plant off the windowsill. There was dirt everywhere. On Wednesday, Cookie upset the trash can. There was garbage everywhere. On Thursday, Cookie got stuck in a kitchen drawer. There were pots and pans and dishes everywhere. On Friday, Cookie ran into the closet before the door closed. There were clothes everywhere. Oh my goodness. On Saturday, Cookie climbed the curtains. And Cookie went everywhere. Tomorrow is Sunday. Maybe Cookie will rest. Oh, look, he has one eye open. Do you think he's going to rest? Oh, there he goes. He's not going to rest. All right, that's a cute book. Okay, if you stop by the library, I'd like to tell you what's in the packet. Okay, so we have these cards. It's Cookies Week Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, and Saturday and Sunday, okay? And so what you're going to do with these is cut them out on the black line, and then you can put the days of the week in order, okay? That's the first thing. Then you're going to color this, cut it out, and you can practice the days of the week. It's a bookmark with the days of the week on it, and there's Cookie, all right? Then you're going to get one of these. Now, I colored mine already. There's Cookie the cat, and I left some white in his ears, on his belly, and his face, so he would look like Cookie. And I'm going to cut him out, glue him on this paper, and then add whatever I'd like. Maybe another cat for a friend, or a house, or a bed, or dishes, or whatever you would like to put in the picture, okay? And then the last thing you'll find in there is this little paper that tells you about my story time. Okay, so I hope you enjoy all those activities, and I'll see you the next time. Keep reading. Bye-bye.